This is a canine blood smear under low power magnification, specifically 40x. So here, as you can see, this is the feathered edge of the smear. And what you should do is try to focus your attention in this area, which is the monolayer. And then try to look for dark structures such as this one, and this one. And focus your high power magnification in that area because most probably those would be your white blood cells. See? So even under this magnification, we can see or differentiate your white blood cells versus your RBC. Okay? So you can use your 400x magnification. In this preparation, the central pallor of your canine blood cells is not that evident, but that's okay. Here, you can see your platelets. Here, you can see your RBCs. They do not have nuclei because your dog is your typical mammal. And here, you have a white blood cell. As you can see, in this case, the size of your cell can fit 3 to 4 RBC, then we can say that this is a monocyte. Also, it is quite vacuolated. So it is a type of an agranulocyte. How about this one? This one looks like a neutrophil. It has a band type of nucleus inside, but I think it's already starting to divide into segments. Here, let's see. I think it's still a neutrophil. So I can say this because your neutrophils are the most numerous type of white blood cell that you can see in your blood smear. Okay. Oh, just a moment. I think once we compare it with this cell, this one would be your neutrophil. Since this one has no discernible granules, while this one has. So I think this will be your eosinophil instead. So it's easier to check if a cell is an eosinophil or basophil if you can find cells which do not have very evident granules. And this one would be your lymphocyte. It is a very rounded cell and its size is almost the same as your RBC, and then it has a very scanty cytoplasm. So I think, again, sorry, I think this would be your eosinophil. Since the granules are also leaning into pinkish in color, and basophils are more rare. So again, we can see your segmented or more mature neutrophils here, 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 and here maybe is a younger version of your neutrophil because the nucleus is still in a band and not segmented. So here you can adjust the fine adjustment knob in order to better visualize the granules inside your white blood cells if there are. So in this preparation, it's very good. You can see probably again this one may be an eosinophil as well. Okay, and here is another monocyte. In this field, we again see neutrophils. We cannot see apparent granules, and then another big cell with no apparent granules, but the cytoplasm is a little bit vacuolated, and the nucleus is very irregular in shape. This may be a monocyte. And again, you can see your platelets here. Another neutrophil, a lymphocyte. Again, we have here your neutrophils, And looks like here we have pink staining granules. So this may be your eosinophils. Here you again can see a lymphocyte and your neutrophils.